Happy Easter from Skinny House. Today I'm going to share with you my table setting as well as my mantle decor. It is April 2020, which means that we are in the thick of COVID-19, and we here in Michigan have been ordered to stay home and stay safe. So it took some creativity this year to set our spring table. It wasn't as easy as a trip to Home Goods. My daughter Alexa thought that it was really important that we make Easter extra special here at home and wanted to go above and beyond with our decorations. So we have just taken everything spring that we could find. We have lots of greens and candles that we've put as a centerpiece here. We challenged ourselves to use only things that we could find around the house or make ourselves. And some of these things are really special. My runner here came from South Korea from our exchange student that stayed with us. It's very beautiful. This stemware was from our wedding. These napkins here were something that I had stitched, and I had put these away. They say different, just inspirational messages. This one says forgiven. We have enough, free, chosen. So each person around the table gets a different message. This is my china that was also very special. This was a gift to me from my mother-in-law when we got married. She knew how much I loved to set the table and shared this with me when I did not get my wedding china. For the chargers, we had to get creative. All that I had was the gold that I use at Christmas time. It looks like this, and we decided to paint it. Chose our color scheme of all pastels. Did a dry brush around this edges. And now we have a great addition to our springtime table. So just a way to show you that even when you're not shopping, you can be creative and make your family feel very special. Moving over to our mantle. Again, we just had some fun having craft projects and doing some creative things. You can see these little jars. If you look closely, they have a silhouette of a bunny. Just taped off some mason jars and painted those up. That was a fun little project, just using things we had around the house. And then these little Easter eggs were the only Easter decor I had. They were the bright plastic ones, so we went online and got some inspiration for some speckled eggs and stuck them in some grasses I had from IKEA, and we have some Easter decor. Then we just shopped the house for things that worked within our color scheme. Went out in the yard. This is the only thing that's really budding in Michigan. This is from a bush in my yard, and I was so happy to see some little buds coming out. And then this face was bright red, and we painted that when we were painting our chargers just to have something else that would work in our color scheme. Our little banner here has bunnies on it made out of cardstock, and they have little cottontails. So as you can see, we've had some fun at my house. Involved the kids. They arranged all of this. It was their idea. So I hope that you have a blessed Easter and a wonderful spring.